Good. Moving top. What?
Come on guys, you've got to push up the top of this hill. They're in that tree line. I just killed two. Bow chicka wow wow.
Come on, push up!
Move up!
Move! Time to go, no stop.
Alright, no stop.
From where?
I don't know. Stop. Massive. 3, 2, 1. Ah!
Ah! Wet man!
Put the fire down! Put it out! Hit! Push it up the bank, lad! Push it up the bank! Good lad! Fire and manoeuvre! Staging! Fire and manoeuvre! Play!
Good effort. Someone got hit, so we're running that. And again.
Yeah, get into cover then, get into cover.
Another one coming.
Yeah, there's a couple of them down there.
We put some fire there. Yep. Right. Well. Yeah, don't go out on the path. Come on, player, move up. You're miles from the fight, you'll hit no one there.
Joe! Tom! Come here, Ryan.
Well, maybe not you, Jeff.
Guys, push into that right hand block
Tom.
and make your way through.
Reckon you two can get up to the... Come here, Tom.
Go.
Ryan.
At the back there, come on.
Yeah.
Right,
Come
that's
here.
all.
Hey! What if there's ricochets or not, are you sure?
Something just hit my gun, so probably shooting out here and got through. There is someone in that thing.
Lads, just push forward.
Guys, you can't lie down and defend. There's no point in lying down. Get up. Come on, lads. Get in there.
Joe, come on. Come on, Tom. Get down there now.
There you go. Come on, fire manoeuvre.
Just go straight back in.
Come on, look, we've got plenty of room in here. Nope.
No. And first my glasses stand up.
No, and if I stand up and I get shot in the face.
Right, Massive, we're going to look right and I'll look left.
Well, I
Go
can't
moving
lift
up.
it in the face. Do you want me to
3.
jump up and try and snipe?
Both look right.
Over there.
3, 2.
Wait.
But-
Fire's coming.
No, go, just go. 3.
Oh, as it's pissing it down as well.
Go. Ready? 3, 2,
Lay down cover as well.
1. Move!
I couldn't do fuck.
Yeah. Go, Kanan.
Fuck, man, that hit my gun.
Gun hit.
Game over!
Yeah!